Tips na amoy kulog ang damit.
Charm Fabcon, bangong kumakabloom, tanggal amoy kulog sa bango ng charm.
Kaya gamit ko, Charm Fabcon with Bloom Fresh technology. Kills 99.9% of kulob-causing bacteria. May aroma burst pa of thousands of flowers and berries. Ang sampay sa loob, no amoy kulob.
Bangong kumakabloom sa charm.
Charm Fabcon.
ACS.
Wow, ang saya. Isang barangay na labada, puro mancha pa. Goodbye, pahinga.
Mommy, isang laba lang yan sa Pride Bar Blue. May powerful stain-away enzymes na malupit sa dunit mancha.
At di masakit sa kamay.
Isang laba lang yan.
Hello, pahinga.
Hello, Pride Bar Blue. ACS.
Nangangambang maglabas-masok sa ospital dahil sa sakit na pabalik-balik. Nababahalang baka sa muling pag-admit ay hindi makagamit ng PhilHealth benefits sa parehong sakit. Kung dati-rati, isang beses lang babayaran ng PhilHealth ang pagpapagamot ng pasyente sa parehong kondisyon sa loob ng 90 days, hindi na ngayon. Ngayong wala na ang Single Period of Confinement o SPC rule, kampante na ang lahat sakaling ma-admit dahil sa parehong sakit sa loob ng 90 days. Huwag matakot magpagamot dahil sagot kayo ng PhilHealth.
I saw the comments of the customers and they said they wanted something fun, exciting, and colorful.
Dahil mahalaga kayo sa
We
amin,
constantly evolve. Introducing Color Game. Color your dream.
Color your life.
keep it fun.
Play responsibly.
Body pain can stop you from doing your best. Pagod na ako. Buti may Salon Pass.
With direct penetration of ingredients, relieves pain immediately, gives long-lasting relief that lasts up to 8 hours.
For shoulder, neck, and back pain. Ganda pa rin ang pakiramdam ko. For pain that massage alone can't relieve, use Salon Pass. Relief that sticks for up to 8 hours.
Sa pagsikat ng bagong umaga, laging may pag-asa. Baon ng determinasyon, bitbit ang sipag, bunga ng dedikasyon at pagsusumikap para sa ating mga mahal sa buhay.
Hi po, fresh day.
Buong pagmamalaking gawang Filipino. Atin to. Frutas. Made by Filipinos.
They say Filipinos aren't meant for basketball. I say let's prove them wrong. Many Filipinos think they can't make it in the big league. Though just like you, I was an underdog. But with heart and dedication, you can beat them all. Experience the games like no other. Catch the action live with Arena Plus and get rewarded with excitement. Push your passion to play.
Plus more with Arena Plus.
30 years married, how do you guys do it?
Connecting heart to heart and eye to eye.
Paano pag lumabo ng mata?
EO Executive Optical, expert eye care, state-of-the-art facilities, affordable eyewear.
Stop staring. Connecting with you, Dad. Love you. EO. Love your eyes.
Picture a place adorned with lush greenery, gently swaying trees, a haven where time seems to stand still. Eternal Gardens provides a sanctuary for remembrance, a place where the memories of your loved ones can bloom forever.
Eternal Gardens, a glimpse of heaven on a patch of earth.